Meet Alex, the helpful CS student. Alex, a college student majoring in computer science, often ends up helping younger students with math, especially when it's come to probability questions. What are the chances of getting exactly three heads if I flip a coin five times? At first, Alex would explain it step by step, working through the combination, but he could tell some of the students were getting lost in the math. That's when he decided to build a simple C++ program to make things clearer. The idea is the combination formula to calculate probabilities and then simulates actual coin flip to show how the numbers play out in real life. For example, when a coin is flipped five times and you want exactly three heads, the program calculates C5, 3 equals to 10 ways that can happen. So basically, yung dito is 5, yung A yung C yung 5, and yung R yung 3, and then yung total nun, is pag kinalculate mo na is 10 ways. But Alex didn't stop there. To bridge the gap between theory and reality, the program also simulates hundreds or even thousands of coin flips. This part lets students see how often an outcome like three heads really show up over many trials. Since each flip is a 50-50 shots and completely independent, the simulation helps drive home how randomness works in practice, not just in theory. One key element, randomness had to be truly random, so Alex made sure his code didn't just repeat pattern. To pull this off, Alex broke the problem into several functions. One for factorial, another for combination, one for calculating, and actual probability. He used loops for the simulation and wrapped everything in try-catch block to keep things stable. Smart, smart error handling. Error cannot get more heads than total flips. Number of flips must be positive. Error number too large to calculate. To make the program classroom friendly, Alex built in safety nets if someone entered something odds or off limit. The program caught it, no crash, no chaos. Prob- Question. What the probability of getting two heads in pair coin flips? Combination. C. Combination 2 gamma 4 equals 6. Simulation result over 1000 trials. Two heads appear 374 times. During tutoring session, student got kicked out of seeing theory line up with reality. With word spread, other tutors start using the tools. Even his math teacher was impressed, praising not just the utility of the program but the educational value it brought to the table. Alex had taken something abstract and made it concrete, and more importantly, made it workable for students who might otherwise struggle with probabilities. Looking back, Alex realizing the project had done more than teaching him how to code, factorial, and handling exception. It showed him how programming can bridge the gap between concept and understanding. So yung first number na lalagay ko dito is enter total number of coin flips. So kung ilan yung coin flip na gusto mo makuha. For example, 12, enter. Yung pangalawa naman is enter number of heads you want. Kung ilang heads yung gusto mo makuha. For example, 4. Yun dito yung simulation kung ilang beses na mauulit yun. For example, 100. Yan yung lilitaw na dito is, sabi niya dito, ways to get 4 heads is 495 times. Ay, or ways, ganun. Tapos yung dito, times 4 head occur. Yung kung ilang, for example, yung 4 head na na-occurred, for example, dito 12 times yung nangyaring 4 head na na-occur doon. And yung isa naman is, for example, naglagay ako ng 5 dito, and then 10 dito, and one simulation na lang. Pag linagay ko yan, lilito yung error na to kasi mas madami pa yung gusto mong makuha kaysa yung sa flip. Other naman is, for example, naglagay ako ng 1,000 dito, 1,000 dito, and 100. So, ililitaw din 'to yung number is too large. Gano'n yung gumagana yung code ko.